Hello guys, welcome back. So you see on over onto this column, there is a percent distribution. So what that means is that now we have already calculated the mode, and now we need to calculate the percentage. This is the formula to calculate it. So mode divided by how many participants that you have, and then times back 100 to get the percent. So in order to do a formula in Excel, you always need to put a equal sign. And now to put in our formula, open the bracket, highlight the mode, and then put a slash, 56, that's my participants that I got for my survey, times 100, close back the brackets. Now, before I press enter, as you can see, all of my tables, all of my data, it is in a table. And what is good about Excel is that when you format everything into a table, you just do one calculation. Excel will do everything for you. So it saves you all of the legwork, it saves you time, and we all know time is extremely precious. And bam! As you can see, everything's already filled out for me. So remember guys, if you have some kind of tedious task that you need to do and you need to calculate stuff within a formula, just put it into a table, let Excel do the magic for you. Hope this video helps, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.